Alright, so I chose a cookie class for my latest class here in TBA because I want to bring something new to the new year. So the style that I'm going to share with you is very unique and very avant-garde. So that's very my style, and that's what you can expect from this class. The concept behind this unique cookie flavors is I was just really inspired by actually the classics. So I always look at the classics to create something unique and new. So I mix we have 3 flavors here. Mochi Matcha. So that's very unique in Japan, that combination. So the mochi normally it's flavored with plain rice flavor, sweetened, and then inside there's gonna be a mochi custard or mochi ice cream. So it's very classic, but it's never been done in a cookie form. We're doing it gourmet way today and just applying all of our learnings, and I also want unique texture to be the highlight of these recipes. So that's very evident with the Horlicks Chewy cookie and cheese pot. So with just the name alone, you can hear and feel the textures that are in there. Horlicks tend to be very chewy when you add it to anything, like any baked product, so especially in cookies. And then we're going to fill it with a cream cheese filling, and then in the form of a cookie pot. So that's amazing in itself and super exciting. And just to wrap things up, the s'mores cookie Inception, it's again tons of texture enveloped inside, and then the outside is just this really nice dough that hugs all of the textures inside. Very interesting altogether, and I think it's going to be a fun learning experience for everybody. I call it cookie concepts because they're not just cookie recipes, it's the concept that's being that's the highlight of this class. I want my students to learn from this class that they can actually create something that's more than what is out there in the market. The most unique ingredient in this class would be the Horlicks malted milk, but that's already available in the Philippines, so I don't think you'll have a hard time looking for that. But if you do, you can always replace it with Milo or Ovaltine or any malted chocolate milk brand that will do the same thing, only it has the chocolate flavor, which makes it, it's not bad, so it actually makes the cookie even more interesting. So beginners can take this class. Actually, I encourage beginners to enroll in this class. As soon as you finish or you're done learning your basic cookie techniques, I think you can already upgrade and learn this unique cookie class with me, because there's only one way to go and it's up. And I think this class is the next step for you to evolve your knowledge when it comes to cookie making. Join me only here at the Bailiwick Academy.